Dogecoin, Doge, for the most part is a mineable coin that for the most part is right now exchanged at $0.080379 per unit, with the market capitalization of $11,469,565,909, that makes it a mid-position digital money in a fundamentally significant manner. Computerized resources like Dogecoin truly have currently commonly turned into the point of convergence of consideration for retail financial backers and examiners. Yet in addition for sort of enormous institutional financial backers who for the most part see Dogecoin and the remainder of digital currencies as a certainly powerful basically support against expansion that takes a truly weighty cost for the worldwide economy in a by and large significant manner. So, we should zero in on the Dogecoin market, its exceptionally current standings, as well as the mid-term and kind of long-haul cost forecast that sort of depends on the readings of our fundamentally exclusive crypto unpredictability record, CVIX, which by and large shows that Dogecoin, Doge especially, is a mineable coin that for the most part is right now exchanged at $0.080379 per unit. With the market capitalization of $11,469,565,909, that certainly makes it a mid-position digital money. As of now, the cost of Dogecoin in every way that really matters remains at $0.080379, and this specific computerized resource especially stands firm on the 10th foothold in the worldwide cryptographic money positioning. For reasonably year data, the positioning of each and every digital money generally is vigorously dependent on its ongoing business sector capitalization and cost, and generally is determined by duplicating these two factors, something that our framework continually does to supply you with the most state-of-the-art data on the resource being referred to, or so they especially thought. Likewise, to fundamentally get a kind of better certainly handle of the market circumstance and generally figure out the especially broad bearing of the pattern, or to basically enroll its non-attendance, it's likewise essential to by and large dissect the verifiable cost information pertinent to the market under survey in a very significant manner. Yesterday, on January 16, the cost of Dogecoin especially remained at $0.081133 at the end of the kind of day-to-day exchanging meeting, which comprises a 0.91% contrast when contrasted with the truly current cost 7 days prior, on January 10. The Dogecoin market certainly remained at $0.079264 as the outcome, the cost fundamentally moved by 0% corresponding to its genuinely present standing. A month prior, on December 17, Dogecoin by and large was evaluated at $0.093103, which generally harmonized with our cost expectation for that specific period, which in a real sense is very critical. Contrasted with the truly present place of Dogecoin, it addresses a 13.67% cost move, or so they sort of thought. At the point when it in every way that really matters comes to digital currencies, market capitalization serves kind of more as a sign of the coin's offer or strength, in contrast with the remainder of the market, alongside its in every way that really matters. In general fame with the worldwide crypto local area and financial backers, essentially in opposition to mainstream thinking. Numerous digital currency merchants view market capitalization as a truly key marker to generally be considered prior to going with exchanging choices, or so they for the most part thought. It by and large is determined by duplicating the exceptionally all-out number of coins that really are right now available for use, coursing supply, by the kind of current cost of Dogecoin, which, as currently referenced, by in every practical sense, remains at $0.080379 in an unpretentious way. Considering that recipe, we for the most part have determined the sort of current market capitalization of Dogecoin to be at $11,469,565,909, which legitimizes its place as the 10th coin among these very present on the digital money market, kind of as opposed to prevalent thinking. Yesterday, on January 16, the market capitalization of Dogecoin generally remained at $11,575,157.018, keep going week, on January 10. The kind of aggregate sum of really capital dedicated to Dogecoin generally was laid out at $11,302,025,154, the information from a month prior, enrolled on December 17. In a real sense shows that Dogecoin had a market capitalization of $13,246,362,652 in an unobtrusive manner. All-out supply focuses to the quantity of coins that explicitly have previously been mined, stamped, or generally made, and in every practical sense, are either flowing available or secured in engineers' or alternately holders' truly chilly wallets in a quite enormous manner. The sort of complete stockpile likewise considers any coins that for the most part have been scorched, put unavailable for general use, to keep a solid expansion rate, lovely in opposition to prevalent thinking. It can explicitly measure up to the quantity of remarkable portions of an organization that really is public on the securities exchange, which by and large is genuinely critical. The kind of all-out supply of Dogecoin right now remains at 142,693,236,384 Doge, or so they for the most part thought. As currently made sense of, the circling supply in a real sense is the most normally involved really metric for deciding a market capitalization of a cryptographic money being referred to, which sort of is genuinely huge. It compares with the in every practical sense best estimate of the exceptionally in general number of coins that most certainly are public on cryptographic money trades and fundamentally add to their liquidity, kind of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Their volume does exclude the coins that really are vested, marked in extremely shrewd agreements, secured in computerized wallets, or by and large put unavailable for general use in an especially enormous manner. The circling supply is essentially what could be compared to the drifting stock of offers in the securities exchange. At the present time, the circling supply of Dogecoin generally is assessed at 142,693,236,384 Doge in an exceptionally large manner. Furthermore, the perusing of exchanging volume can in every practical sense assist one with truly deciding kind of better section and leave focuses in light of the fact that as per the guidelines of specialized examination, huge cost moves, pattern inversions, or unions frequently generally happen at the cost levels that especially are joined by generally sort of high volume, since those essentially are the volumes where enormous cash really had fundamentally come into in a real sense play in an unpretentious way. As indicated by our information, the exchanging volume on the Dogecoin market in every practical sense was as per the following. Over the genuinely beyond 24 hours, the exchanging volume related with the Dogecoin market in a real sense added up to $269,600,254, which really is very critical. Yesterday, on January 16, the kind of normal volume at the end of the exchanging meeting especially added up to $272,715,652, ursa the in a real sense thought. 7 days prior, on January 10, the power of Dogecoin exchanging all through the meeting came to $957,087,197, ursa the especially thought. This information and the events on the Dogecoin diagram can in a real sense assist you with really surveying for yourselves the in every way that really matters, current circumstance available, and the possibilities of the cost heading in the for the most part current course or making an inversion, which in a real sense is very huge. As currently referenced, the crypto unpredictability file, CVIX, explicitly is our essential instrument for making the most dependable expectations in regards to the cost of Dogecoin in 1 to 5 years' time in a genuinely significant manner. It in every way that really matters was made by the for the most